good for public pie.
Now that's a more genuine smile there. That's better.
Who are you sending it to?
Nobody? Can't take it just for the joy of taking it?
No.
He likes to put it on his fishing thing and all the guys can see what he did.
Smile with me?
Okay, go back and sit down.
Okay, go sit down now. Good job, buddy.
2's up, 3 up, 4's up.
Well, I'll leave it for whoever hasn't had any yet.
What are you making?
Buttering the bread for the pies.
For the hot pies?
Pies. We're making you one. You wanted an apple one, right?
I'll put it up.
I'm just checking it.
One side cooked really fast, so I'm making sure that this side didn't cook really fast.
Because you got it right down on the far.
There's really no other way to have it. It's not like you can stand here like this.
Well, don't
Just
you
because
have
that
a,
one's thinner.
you've got the endurance to stand there and hold it like that, right?